Hi everybody and welcome to Tuttle Tip Tuesday. My name is Andy Tuttle. I'm a senior account rep here at Offix. And today we're going to go over changing print driver preferences. There's a little bit of a curveball, so I'm going to help you guys navigate through that. First step is we have to go into our control panel and then devices and printers and actually select the correct printer. In Windows 10, the control panel is a little bit buried, so the very first thing we have to do is do a search for control panel. And I usually, for my customers, I'll actually pin it to the taskbar so we don't have to look for it every single time. Okay? So in this particular case, we'll open it up. Devices and printers is located right here. And today we'll change preferences on the Image Runner Advanced C7565. So you'll notice all my printers listed here. Over the 7565, we'll right click and you'll notice a little dialog box comes up. There's a couple spots in here that are of interest. One says Printing Preferences. The other says Printer Properties. If we go to Printing Preferences, you'll notice, let's just say we want to change this to default to black and white, which is something we really should be doing with every single customer. And if you don't, we can obviously help you do that. This is what this video is about. So I make my change, I hit apply, and hit OK. So now when I go over here and go to Printer Properties this time, I'm going to double check and see if that change actually stuck. So in this first page where it says General tab, I'm going to go into Preferences. Okay, and it did keep it there. If you want to check it for a third time, you go over here and go to Printing Defaults. That's in the Advanced tab. Okay, so right here, you'll notice that it still says color. Really, the Advanced tab is for all the users on the PC, whereas that General tab is for you when you're logged in. So if you want to change it for anyone using this PC, it has to be changed here as well. So now we're going to go change this to black and white. We're going to hit Apply. Hit OK, and we'll double check ourselves. We'll right click, we'll go to Printing Preferences, black and white, so we're good. Now we'll go into Printer Properties. We'll go in the General tab, Preferences, we're good. Okay, now we go into the Advanced tab under Printing Defaults, and we are good. So now we are printing in black and white by default. A couple notes of interest: if this Advanced tab is grayed out, it means one of two things. One, you don't have admin privileges on this PC, or two, the driver is actually installed on a print server that's sharing the printer and you don't have access to change that information. So if that's the case, contact your network administrator and he will get you squared away. Thank you very much for joining me with this week's Tuttle Tip Tuesday. I'll see you next week.